I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add funds to your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you log into your account to access the payment options. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, find and select the Payment Method option. This is where you can add or edit your payment information. Step 4. Add funds. Choose the option to add funds to your DoorDash account. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and select your preferred payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check that your payment method is linked correctly. Happy ordering!